Cause it's always only you, 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 you. But do you remember the first time you held my hand? I'm sure I would have liked that concert.
iPhone yan, iPhone. Friend.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you sa inyo.
I still do, I do love you, and I mean always. And I know they won't all be sunny days, but I meant what I said when I said I do. Cause it's always only just you and me.
Ito ay kay Ate Mau!
Oh yeah, but it's always, always only you.
So marriage is not just between man and woman, but between two people with God. Marriage is God's idea. So He also guides the husband and the wife to have a happy and strong marriage.
Love does not run. Love does not hide.
Grabe naman to! Wow! May mouse! Oy! Wow! It's a prank!
Love is a place you will fly to. Love never fails.
Uy, nakakagulat. Wow.
Support.
Hello, love. Ito na ang pinapangarap mong relo. Sana matuwa ka. I love you so much. Yeah. Wow. Ay, wala pa. Wow. Wife, thank you. Enjoy your day lang. This is more of your day and mahal na mahal kita. Sana maging memorable and masaya ka this day.
Submit to one another. So hindi lang yung wife ang nagsasubmit, pati husband ang isasubmit. No? Ephesians 5:21, submit to one another out of reverence for Christ. And the secret of happy marriage is mutual submission.
Mamahalin kita at pipiliin kita araw-araw. Tutulungan sa lahat ng pagkakataon, sa samahan, sa lungkot at saya. Wala na tong iwanan.
And I'd choose you in 100 lifetimes.
Mahal, tomorrow, August 25, marks our 1 year and 4 months together as boyfriend and girlfriend. Sino ba ang mag-aakala na ganon kabilis mangyayari ang lahat? Na ikaw pala ang pakakasalan ko ngayon at makakasama sa habang buhay.
And I will, when the sky is falling.
Kahit na si Mami Beth ay nasa heaven na, I hope na maging happy ka pa rin today kahit na hindi niya na naabutan. I'm just looking forward for sa ating future together and tatry kong matapatan yung pagmamahal ni Mami Beth. I love you so much.
Mahal, sana magustuhan mo tong gift na pinili mo naman. This is more your day, mahal. Enjoy and feel every moment. Mahal na mahal kita. Excited na ako na makapiling ka habang buhay.
He'd choose us in 100 lifetimes. He'd choose us.
Napakasarap pakinggan at ulit-ulitin na tatanda tayo sabay. Sarap na pakiramdam na mahalin ka. Yung pagmamahal na hindi obligasyon. Yung pagmamahal na walang kondisyon. Yung pagmamahal na pwede umasa at hindi mabibigo. Pagmamahal na walang pressure at payapa.
And we will, when the sky turns black and he comes back riding on the clouds. Every day and every moment, every breath we take, we choose you.
Kung dumating man ang araw na kukunin niya na ako sa'yo or ikaw sa akin, magpapasalamat pa rin ako sa Panginoon dahil sa buhay kong ito, ikaw ang napili niyang ipahiram sa akin. Because your love is a reflection of how God loves me.
Look into my eyes, dear, 'cause this is where it starts. Yes, this is where it starts. I'll give you my whole heart for my whole life. I'll give you my whole heart for my whole life.
Mamahalin kita habang buhay tulad ng pagmamahal ni Lord sa simbahan. Ephesians 5:25, husbands love your wives, just as Christ loved the church and gave himself up for her.
I'll say I do for the rest of my life. With all that I have, I do. And I will, when the sky is falling, I promise.
Mahal kita, love, and I will always remember this verse as your wife. In Ephesians 5:22, wives, submit yourselves to your own husbands as you do to the Lord. Again, I love you so much, Mr. Tobias. I am excited to do life with you. Nagmamahal, Mrs. Tobias.